In this video, we are taking a look at Sherwin Williams Evergreen Fog and comparing it to a wide range of interior finishes. I've got everything from wood samples, quartz countertops, laminate, and travertine. The idea is that you're going to look at these samples and hopefully they look like something you have in your home so you can get an idea of whether Evergreen Fog could be the right color, or if you're starting from scratch, they'll give you the inspiration of what you might look for at your local store. Let's start with a nice dark wood. That is stunning with Evergreen Fog. You can see this wood doesn't have a ton of undertone. It's just like a nice dark brownish color. Really soft, muted, and natural look. Let's say you have a redwood in your house. So nice strong cherry tone or a stained maple. Now you do want to be careful because while this is pretty, sometimes that green and red play can look a little bit more outdated. So it's not that it's not pretty, it's just not necessarily updated and modern. So you do want to watch that. Once we soften it, get to more of a red oak like this, that looks beautiful. Really nice balance of warm and cool there. Let's grab a bit of a yellow undertone. I don't like it as much as I love the pinky orange undertones, but I do like this. That's quite pretty with Evergreen Fog. This is a common laminate floor from the 90s and early 2000s. You can see that more rich orange tone in there. Looks beautiful with Evergreen Fog. Maybe you're doing like an accent wall, your kitchen island, or even an entire room. But nothing is more beautiful than these moderate brown tones with Evergreen Fog. It's just like, here, let me try something. Let's go pure white. Dun, 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 dun. Pure white. It's statuario. Let's see how that works. And nice wood floor. Let's see if I can get that. Right? Like that's just a beautiful palette. Then we throw like a nice off-white on the walls and you're golden. So I would do like pure white cabinets. That's on the island. Talk to me. I love it. Ooh, this is a pretty one. Beautiful wood tone. Look at that with Evergreen Fog. It's like there's so much balance there. It makes me intensely happy. A few more woods and then we'll move along to our final pieces. There's another nice moderate oak wood tone. Love the brown tones. Going darker, so pretty. Can we go lighter though into those birches? A really washed out maple? Yeah, I have no problem with that. You know, as a nice accent wall or something. Now let's take a break from the woods and look at some countertops. So, Vico Stone Cemento, that looks cool. Love it. Let's see what we've got here. Cambria Buxton. You know, while this can get some green undertones, Evergreen Fog is maybe just a little overwhelming for it. I don't love it, but I don't hate it. You also want to be careful because like a lot of the granites from 20, 30 years ago have some green in them. That green is more often cooler or warmer. Not as many of them sit in this more moderate range like Evergreen Fog. So I know it's sort of hard to see on these little samples, but this actually has a warm kind of olivey green in it. And Evergreen Fog is close, but no cigar. Same goes with something like this that winks at a green undertone. It's like, we're just not hitting it. You're gonna find it hard to find a countertop that actually has like this green in it. Not to say it's not out there. What do we got? Caesarstone Cosmopolitan White. I love this one for a nice, simple look. It's not white like here's a white one, so you can see that softness it has, and it's a passive warmth. So yeah, love Cosmopolitan White, as you can tell. Going to this one, Silestone Calicata Gold, looks really cool. Now, you'll find that most white quartz countertops look pretty cool with Evergreen Fog. I mean, you want to watch undertones and the colors in your veining, but generally, they work really well. I've got another one here. Et Statuario by Silestone. Looking good. Let's do a few laminate countertops. Formica Jet Sequoia, one of my favorites. Really cool. Like, that's badass. I love it. This one, this is a bit more like some of the older laminate countertops. That's Formica Blackstone. So I wouldn't do this one if you're choosing ones because it's not super updated, but for those of you who have something similar to that, you can see what that looks like. Formica Calicata Marble. Yeah, so cool, right? Love it. And then there's also this softer marble, which is for Mica Carrara Bianco. You'll find that when I do my videos, I'm often using the same laminate samples, give or take a few. And that's because most of them are pretty butt ugly. Like, there's probably about 10 laminate countertops I ever choose from, and the rest, like, it's a hard no. So yeah, I repeat a lot because that's all I got. Now let's say you've got marble. There's so many variations on marble. Evergreen Fog looks good, but marble often likes gray with like a blue-purple undertone more so than this. So it's not that this is bad. I just think you can do better. Now, a lot of people are down with Taj Mahal quartzite. It is so pretty. Does it work with Evergreen Fog? That would be a no. It's not that it's far off. It's just Evergreen Fog's just a little bit too clean for it. We can do way better with Taj Mahal. What is this? Oh, black countertop, of course. Caesar stone Piatto black. Yeah, super simple, classic. Now, does Evergreen Fog go with Travertine? A lot of you guys have Travertine backsplash, tile floor, fireplace. You bet your booty it does. So beautiful. Yeah, I love it. Maybe you have a brick fireplace? Yes. Now, again, keeping in mind that opposites attract, make each other stronger, and sometimes combos can look a little dated, so it depends on your brick and exactly where you put Evergreen Fog, what else is in your room. But generally speaking, it's pretty rad. I like it. So that gives you a good eyeball on Evergreen Fog. Hopefully something here rings a bell for what you might have in your home. And check out my other videos because there is a lot more to learn about this bad boy.